Tired of your AI-generated characters looking like distant cousins, or worse, complete strangers, in every new image? Today, we're unlocking the secret to perfect character consistency in Leonardo AI, allowing you to craft truly cohesive visual stories. The first crucial step is to establish your character's core identity. Think about their defining features: their hair color and style, eye shape and color, body type, and any distinctive clothing or accessories if you have a specific vision. It's incredibly helpful to create a few initial images that really nail this look. Experiment with different prompts until you have a few examples that are exactly what you want. Once you have those perfect reference images, it's time to leverage Leonardo AI's powerful tools. Select one of your strong reference images and upload it to the image-to-image or image prompt feature a circumflex euros. This is where the magic happens. This image will act as a visual anchor for all subsequent generations. Now, for the prompt engineering. When you generate new images, you'll want to include a detailed description of your character, echoing the most crucial elements from your reference image. For example, if your character has bright blue eyes and a messy brown ponytail, make sure to explicitly state bright blue eyes and messy brown ponytail in your prompt, even if your reference image is already loaded. To further solidify consistency across styles, consider using the style reference feature. You can upload a different image here that embodies the artistic style you're aiming for. A circumflex euros. Perhaps a specific comic book art style, a painterly look, or a minimalist illustration. This allows your consistent character to adapt to various aesthetic moods while retaining their core identity. Don't be afraid to iterate. AI art generation is a process of refinement. If a new generation isn't quite hitting the mark, adjust your descriptive text in the prompt, try a slightly different reference image, or tweak the image-to-image strength. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in character recognition by the AI. By combining detailed descriptions, precise image referencing, and thoughtful style selection, you can ensure your unique cartoon character remains recognizable and consistent, no matter the scene or scenario. Now go forth and build your visual narratives.